Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Joy Morrison, also known as iBrownie. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve my YouTube intro. Very easy to practice on your own. And also, if you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining the family. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for staying put. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, follow the arrow. I will open my app for the editing of my YouTube intro. It's called Canvas. The link will be dropped at the description box as I wait for it to, you know, load. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you find this video very helpful, and stay put for other awesome videos. Okay, then I go to my search bar up there. Just follow the arrow. Also, it will help very well. Yes, and I already have it searched down, so I just click on my YouTube intro, and so many there are like so many, you know um um so many artworks or intro to pick from and to edit it to look like what you really want. So me, I just pick with what goes with me and what I go with too. So there's it. Perfect. So I picked that one where the arrow is pointing, and it's gonna load normal. While it's loading, yeah. So I click on the video image, and I click on replace. Click direct on upload media. The upload media will take me to my gallery, or rather to my file. Then I go straight to my gallery. I forgot, gallery was just looking at me just there. I just clicked it. So I went straight to my gallery and I looked for a very nice video to put there so it really match what I'm looking for. Voila, and I found it. Just that one. Then it's load. You know, your Canvas app, you have to sign up either with your Gmail account or your Facebook. It's free. So I crop it to adjust my face to, show properly, clearly and smooth. So you sign up with your Canvas app. Don't forget, sign up with your Facebook or your Gmail account. So I noticed that time in 17 seconds. So I reduced it to like about 7.6 seconds or so. Yep, 7.6 seconds. So when you sign up with the app, you can access it. Me, I downloaded the app to my phone and I signed up and stuff. So I clicked on that crazy glow to change it to you know, my name, and I clicked on edit, and I typed down my name of my channel, to make it look like I'm the owner of the free canvas work, but you just have to own it or create yours. My network was really disturbing me. I would have created mine, so I had to go with what I had already existed. So I adjusted it and make it look properly okay for. Then I reduced the font size of it so I can be able to fix it in just how I wanted it. I love watching this video over and over again because it's so nice. So voila, this is the first page. When you play it, it's gonna show. So I followed the I clicked on the three dots and duplicated the same image, and I deleted the video. You can duplicate as much as you want. Then I also took this and try to explain what my channel is all about. I'm so tired. So I took this and explained what my channel is all about, which I'm gonna type there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Give us thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and please support your baby girl. Thank you. So I adjusted it to how I really wanted. Please guys, follow the arrow. Even myself, I'm trying to figure out where all the arrows are, but I made it so easy. Just follow the arrows, you will miss your way. So I went straight and, you know, adjusted exactly what I was looking for. Then I thought about, okay, let me add some pictures to it to make it look, stand out. So I went straight to the plus sign and added upload some pictures, and I already have like some pictures existing on my, already image that are on the canvas already. So I just selected it, um added it, shrink reduce the size of each of the videos, each of the pictures rather, and just yeah, so I kept something like that, and faded it down a little bit. Yeah, so I went again, picked another, and did the same thing to it. So it's just, yeah. Okay, here's the next one I took, and just added it. Like I wanted to like put up something, you know. Yeah, so I faded it down to the same way I did the other one. That's how you add your image when you realize that there's no image for you to, there's no image already on the artwork you chose, so you add your own image and everything. So I faded it down, and yeah, so I already, behind the camera, I already selected another picture image just the same way I selected this other two, and I just added it. So yeah, just like that, I just added it. So this is, then I went ahead and saved the video, but I now realized that I just did only subscribe, so I wasn't really comfortable with it, after saving, and I watched the video, it was not really nice. So I just went ahead and went straight to another app, InShot, and I took the video there to cut out, the already um edited video I had. I just took it and I cut it out. When I took it out rather, I added, this is okay, this is where I cut it out already. So I now added another of the subscription, you know bell and stuff. I just added it, and good, and I was so very comfortable with the video and everything, and it came out looking like this. I was like, wow, okay, this is nice, this is nice. So I went ahead with this particular one, and I was very good about it, and it was so nice. And I saved it, and it's saved, and I was just so happy. Now this is how I made my YouTube intro. Thank you so much for watching, guys.